Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. If you aspire to become a proficient software developer, regardless of your preferred programming language, Java, Python, C, C++, or others, having the right setup and tools is crucial. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the essential tools and provide code examples for each language to help you get started. An IDE is your primary workspace for writing, debugging, and running code efficiently. Here are popular IDEs for the mentioned languages. Code example: Python. Version control helps track changes in your code and collaborate with others. Git is the most popular VCS. Code example: Git. Package managers simplify library management in your projects. Code example: Python, pip. Build tools automate tasks like compiling, testing, and packaging your code. Code example: Python, setuptools. Debugging is essential for fixing errors in your code. Code example: Python, debugging. Set breakpoints in your code, run it in a debugging mode, and inspect variables and stack traces. Sometimes, a lightweight text editor is all you need for quick edits. Learn to use the command line for tasks like file manipulation, running scripts, and package management. Code example: Bash. Don't hesitate to use online resources, forums, and documentation to enhance your skills. Building your skills as a software developer is a continuous journey. Regularly practice coding, work on personal projects, and collaborate with others. Remember, the right tools and resources can significantly boost your productivity and learning experience. Now, it's time to start coding and building your software development expertise. Good luck on your journey. ChatGPT.